In this video, we are going to write some code for DPU, and let's see something real coding. A lot of theory, a lot of installation we went on, but now let's see some code, right? So here is our DPU, and this is Kafka consumer. Cool. Now let's start enriching and then structure wise, right? So here we have GPS packet consumer, then parser, model, enrichment, persistence, then repository, right? So for MongoDB, we have a folder named persistence. So let me create that persistence. So this is our package for all the NoSQL entities, right? Cool. Now raw packet model, here we have a raw packet. So it is very important to understand this concept, like how this class is going to be mapped. So first we need to see the CSV file structure, right? And then each field in the CSV file is going to be mapped with this Java field, right? So here, if you remember, this is the package structure, and for each comma separated value there should be a Java field mapped to it, right? So this is the device ID, here is the device ID, and then we have this timestamp, then lat, long, speed, head, and ignition, right? On and off. Cool. So this is the structure. That's why this is the basic Java project, I can say. Okay. So here, let me copy this, and inside the model, where is model? We can create a new class, GPS raw packet with these fields, right? So let me copy entire thing. Nothing's to be worried. That's why we have ChatGPT, right? It gives us everything, and kind of it saves a lot of time. Cool. Now raw packet model we have, then we will have a enrichment field, right? And in enrichment field, what we are going to add, we are going to add device ID, vehicle number, user ID, username. So these things are we are going to add. Actually device ID is already there, if you see here. So the new fields are the vehicle in which the device is installed, and the vehicle owner, which is user and user ID, right? So okay, so let me copy this one and create a new class which enriched GPS packet, new Java class, enriched GPS packet. Cool. Now let's have some real code, right? Here instead of user ID, I want to use owner ID, right? Vehicle owner ID and vehicle owner, or username is fine. Let's see, let's take it as vehicle owner, username to be vehicle owner. 1 second. Or let me have it user ID, because sometimes user can have vehicle to be car or vehicle to be truck also, right? So username, user ID, I think it is good. But it doesn't make sense, right? Since we are dealing with vehicle, we have vehicle number, so we should have some vehicle, right? Let me have it as owner ID and owner, or keep it as vehicle owner. Cool. So now we have these fields and we have a CSV parser, which is nothing very raw parser. Inside parser we need create a new class CSV parser, then simply copy the contents. Let's copy and make it work. Replace job package. Let's import it. Cool. So here there's nothing. We are fetching each part hard coded, right? 3, 4, 5, something like that, because we know like where which field is mapped, right, in the packet. Now we have enrichment service. Let's keep it here, enrichment service in this service part, right? Where is service? Just gonna write this. Now it is copied and we need to import the proper classes, and this user ID would not be there because we have changed this to owner ID, and then owner none, vehicle owner, right? Vehicle, let me take BMW, and demo user to be this maybe Michael, right? BMW X4, keep it. Some SUV, and then we are going to have this telemetry Mongo service, which is nothing. Where is telemetry service? Okay, keep it here only, but I think we can have different service folder for dealing with NoSQL database. We can have a different service folder, right? Cool. For now, let's keep this in the service, and then we will see this is going to deal, this is going to connect with our MongoDB, right? So this is very important class, actually very important service, and the logic I will write here. MongoDB will save include, so there would be Mongo client and all for connecting with MongoDB, so we need that dependency also here. But for now, just writing this line just to check if everything is good and it is connected with MongoDB. So now let's see the Kafka consumer. So here we have a GPS packet consumer. Here is GPS Kafka consumer. It's cool. We can write this consumer service here. 1 second. GPS packet consumer. It is good. GPS packet consumer. It is good, right? Not the Kafka one. Let me remove this one. Right. Have the different. Import the service classes. Then import the package, right? And import this one also. GPS packet consumer. Just rename the file. It will change it, right? Cool. Till here it is good. Our Kafka topic is GPS-raw. Group ID is going to be GPS-DB group, which is not a big deal. Cool. We have vehicle owner, vehicle this. Right, GPS packet parser, which is cool. Service is cool. Persistence layer we are going to write in future. Repository, cool. Right. Awesome. Now let's see the service configuration. Bootstrap servers localhost 9092. So Bootstrap servers localhost 902. The GPS DP group the same we has given, and this one then GPS master. Okay, I was not able to do that. Cool. Till here for MongoDB service it is good. Next we need to implement the Postgres master table, then connect enrichment service to those tables, right? So for now it is good. We have written it here. And let's run this and we will get some errors related to Postgres because this DB doesn't exist into that. So now let's see that. Server is starting. Okay, MongoDB driver, it is getting error because it is not getting connected to MongoDB. Why? Because most probably our MongoDB server is not running, right? Not, yeah, it is stopped. Let me run this MongoDB server. Cool. So rename the existing log file. It's awesome. Awesome. Now let's run this, rerun this. Now it should connect and this error should not come. Awesome. Now it is saying that DPU is not able to connect with the Kafka client. Here you can see 9092. So the Kafka is not running. That's why this error is coming. And let me run this Kafka. So first let's run the zookeeper and then this Kafka broker. Cool. Now once zookeeper started and server gets connected, we can see the topic, right? So yeah, broker is connected, started successfully. It is starting, right? So server is started. Now let's rerun this and this error should go. Oh my god, oh my goodness, you can see saving to Mongo, right? It already picked from the let me come here, this service, this you can see these packets saving to Mongo. So basically these are saved into MongoDB. Awesome. Let's open the Mongo. Mongo. Oh, not Mongo. It's Mongo. Mongo. Not documentation. How can I view the Mongo details? I want to see the Mongo documents, right? So here I am not able to see the MongoDB. Let me see the command actually for viewing from the MongoDB. So view get command actually, get command for MongoDB document. db.collection.find, right? So here we have db.collection.find and then we can give some query, but I want to find all. So there should be find all, something like that. Okay, let me first go through db.collection.find. So where is db? Let me open MongoDB cell. Where is Mongo? It's a task with or in the task. Where is Mongo? Not here, service, right? This is generating the service here, and then packet. Okay, actually the logic is not there, so it will not save into the MongoDB. Cool, we can see that later. But let me see if I can see the DB name. Where is the DB name? It's a GPS DB, right? We have just logged, so that's not with the problem. Okay, this header is gone. Dash producer one unregistered. Okay, so now what we can do, GPS DB, I want to see if this is there or not. So let me open the bash test one. GPS DB is not defined. Why it is saying describe DB in Mongo. A list databases. Okay. Let me run this one. List databases is not defined. Nothing seems to be defined here, right? It is successfully exited. But Mongo shell should give me some suggestions, right? Cool, guys. For now, there won't be any exact. 1 second. Where is DPU? Let me open the DPU again. Yeah. So here you can see we have this DB. I wanted to see this DB in the shell, but the commands I need to find. Now for now, here you can see we are printing saving to Mongo, but we are not actually saving in Mongo. So in the MongoDB there won't be any packet right now. For now there won't be any packet. We are simply putting it here on the console, right? We are just printing it here. So we are successfully able to see vehicle number, vehicle ID, device ID, these things, right? But these are hard coded. They are not being fetched from database. So what we are going to do, we are going to fetch these value, vehicle number, vehicle ID, and device ID mapping in from the PostgreSQL. So the next video mostly we are going to create PostgreSQL tables, PG tables for these GPS. Cool, guys. See you. Stay tuned.